Here is how to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini on your Android phone. You can always switch back to Google Assistant if you prefer. This video will guide you through the process. Go ahead and search for Google application. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings page, go to Gemini, that is below the Google Assistant. Now tap on Use Gemini from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the Gemini's voice.
Remember, you can always switch voices later.
Tap on Select from the bottom and then scroll down and tap on Digital Assistants from Google and make sure that you have selected Gemini instead of Google Assistant. Gemini is Google's new AI assistant that can help you with creative inspiration and productivity. So tap on Gemini and press and switch if you're sure. And now when you'll say, "Hey Google," Gemini will be used. Wait and then scroll down and read about Gemini. If you're sure, tap on Use Gemini. Tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free and turn it on and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.